we have our steel beam coming before the lumber gets here. I mean, we've got trusses here too, but right now we got this steel beam and these two doors. We're waiting for our lumber truck, and so we start throwing up some walls. Just headed out to the job. Our lumber truck just now got here. We waited on him for like 2 hours, and let me see if I can take him. There he is. Well, anyways, they brought the steel beam to us and two doors from Columbia, and they were here first. And then this guy just came just now, and he was from Jeff City, and he was way off timing. So we actually packed up and left while we were sitting down there with all of our tools, and, you know, pretty much called it a day. But yeah, now we're gonna be some happy framers, so we can put up our back basement wall, and now we'll check it out when you, well, when we get there. Sorry. Walking back down with everything in my hands. In the back, with some breakfast and some iced coffee. Gonna go down here and wait to start throwing some lumber down, and if I can make it down this hill quick enough, let's pan the camera over and show you right now the layout. Just the foundation. And we got plans.
He's bringing, yeah, they forgot nails.
Oh, no way.
Yeah, they bring in
some trusses, drive it around to the back, just make everything a little bit easier. Just had the lumber guy come here, like I said earlier, fucking dropped all our stuff up, which was nice. We're gonna frame up this whole back wall today. Got our stuff going now. Shan't be too much longer, and we'll have this whole back wall built up today. So that'll be fun. Maybe even get a couple of these other little walls finished too. See how it goes. Got some serious progress out here. It's hot as piss, but everybody's dealing with it pretty good. Everybody meaning the three-man crew. Yeah, we got it going pretty fucking good right now. We're gonna stand this wall up before the day's over, or at least half of it, so be something pretty cool. A lot of fucking work in the last couple hours. Can't see anything, but this wall is about to go up. My phone brightness is all the way down. I guess I have like maybe under 5%. It's a little Ren driving some steaks. See any giant vampires lately? Okay, we did not stand the wall up today because we had the wrong hammer drill bit, and we'll have to get a new one of those before we can stand it up, and we also need a stapler to put the foam stripping on the bottom.